Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the wallpaper on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap on the Apple logo in the top left corner. Choose System Preferences from the menu that appears. In System Preferences, select Desktop and Screensaver. Choose Desktop at the top of the page. The first category of wallpaper you can choose from is Dynamic. With these wallpapers, you can choose the Dynamic option and they will change throughout the day based on your location. If you tap Dynamic at the top, you can also choose Light or Dark, if you'd prefer to have just Light mode or just Dark mode as opposed to Dynamic. The next wallpaper category is Light and Dark. If you choose one of these, you can choose to have it in either Light or Dark mode. To change between Light and Dark mode, tap Automatic at the top and choose Light or Dark. You can also choose one of the desktop pictures to use. In the left sidebar, you can tap Colors if you would like your wallpaper to be a solid color. Tap Photos to choose a photo from your gallery to use as your wallpaper, or tap Folders to choose something to use from your folders. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.